Hey friends, this is Atif here, Val, and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. SushiSwap has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern. This was a wedge. You can see that for the past several months, since after the month of Feb 2024, it was moving inside this wedge, and we broke it out here in the month of September 2024. Let me just show you this move on the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that we entered the wedge here on 7th of Feb. We had a rejection here, rejection, bounce, rejection, another rejection. Almost had another bounce here, and finally after this rejection, the price broke out. And now for the past several weeks, it was getting rejected by the resistance, quite long-term resistance on that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. And recently, we have also broken out this resistance on as well. And now there is a very high probability that soon the price may hit this next long-term resistance on that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, it is breaking as a very, very strong resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SSV network, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared a few days ago on 14th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone. And below this level was the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SushiSwap. And this is a weekly time frame chart. And first of all, let's move to the daily one. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, the price line was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And finally, after testing the support of the wedge and after testing this key support here at 48 cents, the price line geared up and broke out the wedge. And now recently we have broken out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. You can see that for the past several weeks, it was breaking at a very strong resistance zone. And before that, for several weeks, it has been breaking at a very, very strong support zone. And therefore now it can be flipped into a very, very strong support once again. And now we need to keep an eye on this support. And now the next upcoming resistance will be a complete, very strong and long-term resistance zone that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. And now almost there at $2, we also have the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well, because target is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $2. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that this resistance zone from $1.60 to $2 has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone here, resistance zone here, resistance zone here for several weeks. And again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance zone for the price line of SushiSwap. Now, on this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But after the breakout, after this short rally, the price line was rejected by this long-term resistance zone from $1.60 to $2. And now after this drop, you can see that the price line is also forming a very, very huge double top here as well at this key support of 48 cents. That was previously breaking as a support here for several weeks. And now for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a support here as well. And now the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.